flip-flops. Love that embed. I only did one flip-flop because one, I didn't have enough of this pink left to make two to make a matching pair. Two, since I enlarged it, like I have a small version of the extruder disc for the flip-flop, which I've had for a couple of years, and this year I decided to try a larger version, which I actually really like. But I also felt it would just take up a lot of the soap, so I only did one. And my swirl is interesting. Not what I was expecting to get at all. With the way I swirled, like the hanger motion I did, that's not what I was expecting. But that's fine. It is fun. It's pink. I have a pink soap. I try and do all the colors when I create new soaps for a new release because I love rainbows. And I needed a pink soap, and I have my pink soap, and that makes me happy. Again, swirl is not quite what I was going for, but again, it's perfectly fine. And you can't control swirls. Swirls are really, really hard to control. But I do love the flip-flop. I really like the big flip-flop. And then this top one is just, isn't that sweet? It's just fun and summery, tropical. It's scented in Mai Tai from Nature's Garden. So a fun, fruity, summery scent. I have no idea what order this video will air in, but I'm down to my last 5 batches of summer soaps. So a lot have been made and getting down to the end. Let me know what you think.